Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize sales strategies with Cheesecake Factory, complete guide step by step clearly. To optimize sales strategies using insights from the Cheesecake Factory, begin by analyzing their expansive menu. Identify the variety of offerings, including appetizers, entrees, and desserts. Consider how this diverse menu caters to different customer preferences and demographics. Next, evaluate the importance of strong branding. The Cheesecake Factory is recognized for its iconic logo and design, contributing to customer loyalty. Incorporate elements of strong branding into your business for greater recognition. Focus on creating an inviting atmosphere. The Cheesecake Factory's ambience enhances the dining experience and encourages repeat visits. Invest in decor, lighting, and seating that resonates with your target audience. Implement customer feedback systems. Understand that the Cheesecake Factory regularly collects reviews and testimonials to improve its services. Encourage your customers to share their experiences and use this feedback to refine your strategies. Analyze the pricing strategy employed by the Cheesecake Factory. Their pricing reflects the perceived value of the dining experience along with the quality of food provided. Consider how competitive pricing and menu engineering can attract a wider customer base. Next, leverage seasonal promotions and limited-time offers. The Cheesecake Factory often introduces seasonal dishes to create a sense of urgency. Incorporate similar promotions to entice customers and drive sales. Utilize social media and digital marketing. The Cheesecake Factory excels at engaging customers through appealing visuals and interactive content. Enhance your online presence to reach a larger audience and highlight special events and promotions. Train staff in customer service excellence. Friendly and knowledgeable staff contribute to a positive dining experience, as seen in the Cheesecake Factory. Ensure your team is well trained in both product knowledge and customer engagement. Finally, establish loyalty programs. Invite customers to join a rewards program to foster repeat visits and increase customer retention. The Cheesecake Factory's loyalty system encourages consistent patronage through incentives. By following these steps, you can optimize your sales strategies for greater success, inspired by the effective practices of the Cheesecake Factory. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.